Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Z James, this is Z32 Workshop, and this beside me is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible autocross car, weekend fun car. Let me move this around so you guys can see it in the background. Today is another episode where we're not really going to do a whole lot. It's going to be more of an unboxing. I'm starting to acquire all the parts for my twin turbo swap that I'm going to be hopefully doing next year, because this is 2021. Hopefully in 2022 I get everything piled together. Theoretically I could throw the engine into the car right now for the most part, but there are specific upgrades I need to do and I need to have ahead of time, and this is the time to do them while the engine's going to be out on the stand to do things. The last episode unboxing I did was the AMS Airflow Max V2 headers. Well, I say headers, but exhaust manifold, turbo manifold, which I unboxed. I haven't sent out to a machine shop yet because literally I'm just buying the parts right now just to hang on to, and the EPA is being a real pain in the butt here doing stuff, so I'm trying to acquire some of these performance parts that are aftermarket because technically they change emissions and that gets you in trouble. So that being said, this episode, we're going to unbox and show what else I picked up from Z1 this time around, which is actually AMS's tapered 3-inch to 2.5-inch stainless steel resonated test pipes that I gotta have, because I've got 3-inch down pipes coming off the turbos that I'm going to be putting on, but I need to get it into my Specialty Z mid pipe, which is 2.5, so it needs to be tapered down. Z1 makes them. They were in stock without the resonated ones. I ordered resonated just because I want to keep the a little better exhaust node and trying to make it look so it visually passes an inspection for cats. I mean, I know they're not, but it'll look like there's a bump there. So on the floor, I haven't opened the box yet, but we'll take a look at it and open it with you guys. So let me move you guys on over here and let's take a look at this. So here's the box, Z1. So let's open her up. That's what we get here. Hang on, let me. All right, everybody. Boom. Here's the box from Z1. Got shipped. Kind of dented in from packaging. Still looks pretty good. I mean, it's test pipes. Can't really damage them, in my opinion. Shouldn't be able to in shipping. Just cutting up both ends here, and let's just see if we can get this opened up. See what's going on, see what these bad boys look like. Get this opened up. Looks like they're individually wrapped. Looks like this was a box that was cut up from other stuff. Looks like the kit comes with, you guys can't see it, but I'll get them loose. Hang on. Looks like I get, yep, 3-inch gaskets that connect up to the down pipes, and then 2.5-inch gaskets. Pretty standard, look like nothing fancy, but they do come with the kit. Let's take a look at one of these pipes. Let's open it up. Oh, got a little bit of tape here. Oh, a little bit more tape on either end. Pretty well packaged together, everybody. You know, and like I said, they're test pipes. It's exhaust stuff. Can't kind of mess this stuff up. I mean, you kind of could, but realistically, I wanted to take a look at the welds, see what the quality looks like. So this is AMS's stuff. That ain't bad. That's pretty gosh darn big. And that's 3-inch down to here, and it looks like they really just tapered at the end. I don't know if you can see that. The welds look okay. I'm not a welding expert. Let's see if you guys can see. I'm not a welding expert. They look pretty decent. I've got a guy, I might have him take a look at it. But it's got a little resonator in it. Stamped. Let's see if you guys can see that better. It's got AMS on it. Yeah, not too bad. Looks fairly straight. This should be, the way this would hang, this would be off the passenger side. bung, O2 bung, white for a wideband here, which is pretty good. Let's see here. That's one pipe. Let's open up the other one. That's pretty good. This one doesn't seem to be taped as much as the other one, but same diff. Let's see, you can take a look at it. Looks pretty straight. Weldings on the outside, nothing on the interior. It looks like they ground that down. Hopefully you guys can see that. Stainless steel bung. Looks pretty good. Another AMS stamp on the other end, and it's 3-inch all the way down to the exhaust tip to where it comes out of the resonator. So flow out of the turbo should dump out pretty good, and then it just hits this restriction, which realistically, I don't know if you can see in there, you can see the webbing in this, but this is stamped AMS as well. This looks pretty good. My fingerprints are all over this now. Before I put this on, I'll have to wipe them down, because if anyone knows with stainless steel, you need to make it so you don't have your fingerprints on it, because it'll burn into the stainless steel. But this doesn't look too bad. You know, let's, while you're here, I'll grab. Now this is the down pipes. I need to clean these up pretty good. This is one of the split ones. I got this off a Facebook trade group, gosh, a year ago already, because these came up pretty somewhat cheaply. I might get these cleaned up and redone. You can see that, but that would go, theoretically, I think this one should be this guy right here, and that should match up pretty good. I mean, look, 3-inch by 3-inch, should bolt in real nice on this. I might get these sent out, and then this has got the O2 sensor for the factory, which from what everyone I've always told says that's a little close. I mean, it's dumping right on out. I mean, turbo, I mean, you can tell it's just right there. So, but that's the AMS manifolds, everybody. Or I say manifolds, test pipes. To me, this looks pretty good. Like I said, you look internally, it looks not too bad. Looks like they got a little crazy with the grinder in there, but realistically that's pretty clean. Packaging was pretty decent. Much better than the exhaust manifolds, which once again, you can't really dend them up, but you can everything else. Not bad for welds in my opinion, but I'm not a welding expert. But yeah. So like I said, this is a small little taste video of an unboxing for the car. Just me getting parts to get ready to when I do the twin turbo swap next year. Jesus, camera's not want to stay. So yeah, realistically, I'll probably package these back up, put them back in the box, and I'll probably put them up in my attic for right now, because I'm trying to get ready for the winter time on all this stuff to make it so I can get this car over there for winter, and then slowly start working on the engine itself, because I need to take apart the actually I need to service the twin turbo motor, 120 kit, replace all the rubber, do all the stuff you need to, and then the turbos are going to get sent out bare minimum. One of them's got a busted exhaust stud that, well, it's not even busted, it's just gone. It's just got an exhaust stud out of the turbo. It's weird. So anyway, that's what this is. From Z1, fairly decent priced. I mean, the resonators add an extra $100 to the whole purchase, so they're like 50 bucks a piece. But to me, you know, like I said, stainless steel looks pretty good. Should hold up. I mean, my car doesn't see too much bad weather. Definitely doesn't drive in the wintertime, and all that. So if you guys have any questions about the stuff I'm buying and for the unboxing, just hit me up. Let me know. I can take some more pictures of this stuff. You know, the flanges, you know, actually, now that I'm looking at this, take a look how meaty that flange is. Look how thick that is. That's a pretty meaty flange. I'm going to have to probably, I think that's thicker than what I have. I'm going to have to take a look at my exhaust bolts and have to redo those. And looks like the ones coming out for the downpipes, that's actually thinner. In fact, I know that's thinner. So, and once again, interesting stuff. for doing it. Once again, short video, just doing an unboxing. Z1 does pretty good. These were on back order for me because actually the gentleman at Z1 did a wonderful job. I ordered them. I was on vacation. He called up and asked me if I wanted the ones with resonated or if I wanted the unresonated ones. Because he's like, I've got a bunch of them unresonated in stock. I can ship them today. I'm like, no, my project isn't for at least another half year. I just want to buy the stuff now while I have the funds and while the EPA is not being silly with stuff. Because that's where we're at. So once again, my name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop. And I hope you guys are working on your stuff in your garage like I am occasionally. It's fall time here, so I have to rake leaves. So, all right, catch everybody later. Bye.